Welcome back to the Handy Landlord. Some of my first videos were actually filmed in here. This furnace is why I'm here. So here we go. Ready? Alright, so the first thing you do, there should be a disconnect switch right there. Shut the power off. Come down right here. There's this 1/4 inch nut driver screw right there. Another one right down here. And there's one more right back in there. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see it, but right back in there. So those are the three that I'm going to be taking out. These are what you're after right here. Then this little one right over here on the side. Disconnect the wires. So right here you have to remove this screw to remove this pressure switch to move it out of the way. It looks like it'll come out easier if you do that. Move this pressure switch and then got her out of there. That's that. Boom! Just like that, I have the part. Alright, so they give you this adapter and then they give you new gasket on top of that. And they also give you new screws along with the motor. Yeah, so it just clips in. Should snap. Just removing the old gasket. So first, go ahead, move this up and out of the way. Go ahead and hook these up. There. Right there. Put on your new gasket. Make sure it's on there good. Alright, so now I'm just going to take this top one back out and hook up the ground and then double check to make sure they're all tight. That was just the easiest screw to put in, the top one. So. Go through, double check, make sure all three of them are tight. See that back in there. Make sure they're all tight. Go ahead and take your wire connector. This pressure switch screw back in. See these wires right here? Just a good idea to relocate those. Turn the switch back on right here. Turn it up. See what she does. Smooth as butter, baby. Listen to that bad boy. Alright. Throw a new furnace filter on there.